Looking to add some greenery to your home? Want to breathe life into your living space with some indoor plants? Embracing indoor plants can improve air quality, boost your mood, and enhance your decor. We'll be showcasing the top 5 indoor plants for a vibrant home. Stay tuned to find out what these top 5 indoor plants are. Starting off our list is the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. This hardy plant thrives in low light and requires minimal watering. Best of all, it's an air purifier, removing toxins from your surroundings. The snake plant is a fantastic choice for beginners and those with a busy lifestyle. Next up, we have the pothos, a popular trailing plant. Known for its rapid growth and variegated leaves, it thrives in a variety of light conditions. Not to mention, it's an excellent air purifier. The pothos is a versatile and attractive addition to any home. Coming in at number 3 is the ZZ plant. Known for its glossy emerald leaves, this plant thrives even in low light and drought conditions. Often called a plant of steel, it's a resilient addition to any home. The ZZ plant is perfect for those who love a modern, sleek aesthetic. The 4th plant on our list is the spider plant. With its arching leaves creating a cascade of green, the spider plant is adaptable to various light conditions. It's a breeze to propagate and a safe bet for pet owners. The spider plant is a fun and easy-to-grow option for your home. Last but not least, we have the peace lily. Adorned with stunning white flowers, this plant thrives in medium to low light. It's intuitive, signaling when thirsty, and a real air purifier. The peace lily is a beautiful and functional choice for any home. So there you have it, our top 5 indoor plants for a vibrant home. From the resilient snake plant to the charming peace lily, each of these plants brings a unique blend of beauty and benefits. They purify your air, boost your mood, and transform your living space into a lush, vibrant oasis. Isn't it wonderful how a little greenery can make such a big difference? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant-related content. Happy planting!